Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can see what are the packages activated in your Emacs. Basically you can do it in various way, and I will show you the popular way of seeing the activated package. Okay, activated package means what is currently loaded in your Emacs, what are the packages. Okay, to give you a demonstration, let me go to my Emacs client, which I have already opened. Okay, so the best way to figure it out, so there is a variable called app package activated list, which you can go by control HV, and because I have accessed before, so it is there in listing. Otherwise the package name is package activated list. If you select this, and if you see the right hand side buffer, I believe I'm zoomed enough, so these are the, you can see the value of this particular variable, that it contains all the package at this moment activated in my Emacs. Okay, few of them activated because of dependency, few of them activated by default. Okay, so not only it is activated the required one, but it also activated the default, the dependent one, right? So you can see list of the name of currently activated package as the docstring said. Okay, and that's about it. This is one of the easiest and best possible way to find out what are the package at this moment while you are running Emacs are getting activated. Okay, so the variable name is package activated list, which you can access to control HV. Okay, and it is easily available, and it will open up a buffer and show you the content, the value of this variable is containing by the package which is activated. This is one of the way. Another way of doing thing is just go to Emacs prompt, type list packages, like as usual we do for every other thing, right? If we want to show the what are the package which is coming from different sources, we have defined in our .emacs file, which is melpa, elpa, quilpa, whatever the repository you have, right? So it shows you all the packages which is coming from those repositories, but you are only interested what is installed. Okay, this is quite different. Okay, so I'm showing you this is a installed packages. Previous variable will show you what are the activated packages. There is a difference. Okay, so I'm showing you for a reason, everything is interrelated, that's why. So what you can do, control S and installed, so until you found, so let's see here, you can see the package which are installed. What I'll do, I'll go to the top of it and I'll mark it. Okay, now I'm going to select all the installed package. So so I'm doing it, this is a laborious way, but you will get a clear-cut view. I'm leaving out the dependency packages, which is mandatory to get the system working. I'm just copying the installed package, meta w to copy all this. Then if I open scratch buffer and control Y to paste it, see, these are the package which are installed with my Emacs. It could be different to your system, but this is one of the laborious way of getting what are installed in your Emacs, install packages. And you saw there is a dependency packages too, which is required to run the system, right? I eliminate out just to make sure that it visibly properly only the installed packages, right? So these are the little thing which might help you to debug or to understand the system understand the tool you are running. Okay, so these are the way you can find out what are the activated package while you are running on the Emacs, as I shown to you very first. Okay, and now I'm showing what are the install package. Likewise, this package also bring out a lot of dependency package which I haven't copied it out here. Okay, so these are the way you can find out what is in your system. Okay, so and I don't know what else to show you. So you can see from here there are few dependency packages, right? You can see, and I haven't copied it there. When I'll show you what are the install, these packages are also required depending on the kind of thing you are running inside Emacs. Few of the package which you pull down by the installed package, so that's why it is showing like this. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who wanted to know about what are the package activated right now while they are using Emacs and what are the package installed in their Emacs system. Okay, so thanks for watching.